Your emotions are terrible advisors. You let feelings guide your choices. Bad weather changes your mood. Poor sleep shifts your decisions. A difficult conversation ruins your day. You mistake temporary feelings for permanent truth. Successful people treat emotions like weather reports. They acknowledge the storm. They do not cancel the journey. Discipline creates emotional stability, not by suppressing feelings, by acting despite them. Your character is not built when you feel strong. It is forged when you feel weak and choose strength anyway. The Stoics knew this. Emotions are information, not commands. Build systems that work when you feel terrible. Train when motivation dies. Work when inspiration fades. Show up when everything inside you says quit. Your feelings will lie to you daily. Your discipline will serve you forever. That is the marble mindset.